VIP lounge in Naples. Got here like 4 hours early because Carlos and Brian had to return the car. So we've been just chilling in this lounge playing Mario Party. We're here chilling in the Thames Lake. How are you feeling?
Great. I mean, 3 days in London. It's a little chilly here compared to Rome.
Quite chilly.
But I'm brought pants, so we're good. Except not right now. No.
We have arrived at our cozy little hotel, the Arosfa? Arasfara? I don't either. We were greeted by a cute little pommy, less than a year old. And here we are, about to go grab some dinner now. It's not a bad setup. It's got a touch of modern in here, which is kind of cool. All right, we're walking down the streets of London and came across some block party or something like that. Let's take a look. Our very first meal in London is not anything British, it's Italian. We are here at another country trying out some golden arches. What do you guys think?
It's pretty good. It's quite minty.
Arrow peppermint and Oreo, because Oreo. Birthday boy, happy birthday.
How's it going? Another year older means another year that you're wiser, so I'm excited.
Do you enjoy the fact that you're in London spending your birthday?
I do. First time internationally on my birthday, so.
And we get to celebrate with them. What is this, Borough Market?
I could tell you some facts, but I don't really know any. But it's just like a nice market.
It's just a nice market. No, we don't need to know the facts, I guess.
Let's go eat.
That sounds nice. Has people in it. You're eating vegan.
Getting some froyo right now. Snog. Not the most attractive name in my opinion. Oh yeah. Here we are in Leicester Square. Leicester.
Chinatown.
Looks like we stumbled across a very familiar gate. Steven, Phil, look at these guys. Look at this outfit. Jolly good time right there.
Just need to explore the menu, and as soon as you select something, you will see the projection in front of you.
Come on guys, look at the camera. I make a video for you.
Happy birthday, dear Steven. Happy birthday to you. Dude, blow it out. Blow it out. Cheers. We are in the tube.
Small one.
So being indecisive, this is what we decided for breakfast for now. Some Belgian waffles. I think we're in Hyde Park now. Can't really tell. Just a lot of grass. Zip.
Zip.
Zoom.
Zip.
Zap.
Zoom.
Zip.
Zoom.
Zip. Zoom.
Zip.
Zap.
Zoom.
Zip.
Zip. So these are the swans, the Queen's Royal Swans. One of these is a princess. We're not sure which one. Maybe it's you. Where are we?
We are at Nice Bridge right now.
Oh, you got it! You got it! We're looking at the Harrods. We're gonna go check it out and not buy anything. Here we are loitering outside Dre in the Harrods. Oh, that is a fancy.
That is like covered.
That is fancy. Fancy, fancy. That's a great arm swing right there. Big Ben in all its glory. That's beautiful. So we're here at the London Eye. Way too much pedestrian traffic here. Thing takes about, what, 45 minutes for a full rotation? And the line's probably like 2 hours long. And it costs like £37. It's not really worth it in my opinion. We're just gonna admire from here.
This is a peach with apricot in the middle. Then the eclair with coconut and passion fruit. And then it is a choco pot with salted caramel, and even the pot is edible because it's made from chocolate.
So the whole thing's edible.
Exactly. Rhubarb jelly with banana mousse, and this is the biscuit with raspberry and rose.
All right, this is everyone's first time eating or drinking, having tea time. High tea, afternoon tea, including the Brit himself. So should be good. Dig in. What do horses sound like? What's your best horse impression? So Steven here is eating his Halal Guys.
It's pretty spicy.
He didn't realize how spicy the red sauce is. How many cups of water have you had now?
5.
5 cups of water, and he's still got quite a bit left on his plate.
Spicy. I'll finish it.
All right, he finished it.
My lips are on fire. My tongue hurts.
You ever gonna eat the spicy again?
No, definitely not. Not doing it again. Don't do it, kids.
It takes 3 people to take an epic night shot of that right there. Beautiful.